thank you for joining me in Jigsaw Shed. It was a real fun project, turning these 3 butt vases out of 1 plum log. Obviously, tried giving each a different shape with different features, but got to maintain some of the live edge as well. And yeah, I'm really pleased with them. And first time using the lemon oil as well, which gives the pieces a really nice smell, but also made the workshop smell lovely. Now, the wood was about 35% when I turned it, so there is a bit of a crack in this one, but really still like that. The 2 smaller vases has big chasms down the side. Now, I don't know. I like having the cracks and everything because it gives it character. It's a natural process as well. But you can see the fibers where it's split around, and I don't know whether I should just clean that out with a Dremel or just leave it as it is. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, give the video a thumbs up if you've liked the video, and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so yet. And I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.